Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset a Kenmore washing machine. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so there's a few different methods how to do this, and depending if you got a top load, front load, etc. But to perform a basic reset on a Kenmore washing machine, we first need to start with unplugging the washer from the electrical outlet and then wait at least 2 minutes. Then from there, plug the washer back in and then open and close the washer lid 6 times within 12 seconds. For top load models, make sure you lift it at least 2 inches each time to trigger the lid switch, and then run a short cycle to see if the reset worked. Now, if that didn't work, we can go ahead and try a master reset. So some Kenmore models require a more detailed reset. So unplug the machine and then press and hold the start button or pause button for 5 seconds while unplugged, and then plug the machine back in while still holding down the button. Release the button after about 5 more seconds, and that should do a master reset on your machine.